Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add an affiliate link to Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Click on this edit button below the website you want to add an affiliate link to. Go to Pages. Select the page you want to work on. Let's work on this no header template page. Click on this edit button to go into the editing mode. Let's add a blank section, then add a text block. First, write your text first. For example, check out my Amazon link. Select the text part you want to turn into an affiliate link. Then click on this link icon. Fill in your affiliate link here. For example, bensexperience.com/hostinger. This is my affiliate link to Hostinger. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. You can select between opening your affiliate link in a new tab or not. I will go with opening it into a new tab. Close this window, then click on this save button from this corner to not lose your editing. Then click on exit to go into the preview mode. This is my affiliate link on Squarespace. If I click on it, it will be opened in a new tab. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.